And so here I have some chicken thighs. This is all I had at the time of the video, but if you're gonna do this recipe, please go ahead and use boneless chicken thighs or chicken breast, because as you can see here, I had to debone my chicken. I did trim up the chicken by removing all the excess fat and the skin, and then proceed by cutting it into bite-sized pieces. Next, I went ahead and rinsed the chicken with some vinegar and water, and this is what I do to clean my chicken. Now it's time to add our seasoning. First, I'm gonna add me some ginger powder. Then some paprika. Next up is the kicking chicken. The jerk seasoning, the powder, salt, garlic powder, black pepper, and cinnamon. Now hang in there on the cinnamon, guys. It complements the jerk seasoning. So whether it's the powder or it's the wet rub. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cut up my greens, and today I'm using the arugula and spinach. But before we get into that, or should I say while I'm doing that, I would like to say if this is your first time, my name is Terry Ann. Welcome to the channel. And to all my new subscribers, we do thank you for being a part of the family. And to all my all-time subscribers, the ones from day one, thank you guys for the support. This video was actually recommended by one of my subscribers who happened to know herself. So yes, finally I got a chance to edit this video, and here you go. All right, so let's just get back into the video. We are gonna cut our peppers. Well, pepper, I'm going to use the entire thing. So I'm just removing here the core of the pepper, which entails the seeds and that little piece inside there. You don't have to do that, but for presentation purposes, I really do. Went ahead and cut that out. After I'm done, I'm just going to cut it into julienne slices like so. Yes, guys, so to one of my new subscribers, should I say, but you know yourself, you know, in the comment you said, hey, I like the way how you did the savory with the sweet, and so you asked that if I could do some more Jamaican cuisine. But this is not quite Jamaican, but it has a twist by adding the jerk seasoning. Right, so here I have the mushrooms and I have some garlic. Then I'm gonna add olive oil to my pot, swirl my pot around because I don't want my chicken to stick. So I'm adding chicken and garlic to the oil. On the side there, see I'm getting ready to prep for the pasta. You just cook as directed. All right. Now I'm adding my mushrooms and stir that in. Allow that to saute. Then I'm adding some white wine, cooking white wine that is, and my spinach, arugula, and peppers. Next, I'm adding my pasta sauce, and I had 2 bottles of pasta sauce, guys. And it's about time for the secret ingredient. Oh wait, before that, guys, let me tell you, it's inflation and nothing goes to waste in my house. So I did add some water, and you see me flashing that thing out. Yes, I wanted every last drop of it, let me tell you. Then I'm gonna add some red pepper flakes, some more garlic powder, a little bit more jerk seasoning. But then, guys, you can taste it. Whatever you want to add, then you add it there. But this right here, guys, this is top-notch secret. Right after you finish cooking this pasta sauce right here, guys, you're going to add this in it. And let me know in the comment box below. Anyways, I'm going to pair that up with a salad. Here I have my lettuce. Then I have my cilantro. Yeah, and then we're gonna put that into the vegetable spinner because I don't like a soggy salad, guys. Gotta get all that water up off of there. So we're just gonna fit the lid on, spin that. There we have it. Then we're gonna go ahead now and slice thinly some red onions. And I said thinly because it's much more palatable that way. So to prevent our pasta from sticking, we went ahead and add some olive oil. And here you have it. Guys, don't forget to check out our other videos. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe.